So we're heating it up again to bring this to temperature. With the ring sitting on the solder. So this is a silver ring that's been heated and then allowed to fall, and the drill just there, and you can see the solder just sitting on the bottom of the ring there. Sometimes the solder that comes in the packs can be brittle, so it can be hard to bend it to get it across the top of your ring joint, so this is another way of doing that. So as I'm heating this joint up, this silver's getting really nice and hot, and it's melting the solder. And the lovely thing about solder is that it is silver, but it's a silver that melts at a lower temperature than the piece you're working on. So here we can melt the solder, and as long as we keep an eye on the piece of silver and move around and don't focus too much on one point, we won't then melt the ring. Now what you might be able to see that's now happened is that the solder has just flowed into that seam, and that's just happened while I've been working around and chatting you through what to do with this. So I've gone over a couple of times. I'm going to pop my torch off. Now that's pushing it back there. Place that on the table, and I'm going to show you what to look for. So this is hot. You'd be wanting to use your heat-proof tongs, but you can see that there is a blob of solder on there. Let me see if I can get this lined up well for you. So even though there's a blob of solder on there, it's actually quite nicely joined. Now this needs to go into cold water for something that we call quenching, and that will cool that ring down so that you can work on the next step.